This you have to write down in your notebook, in your classwork notebook itself, to study the useful and harmful effects of microorganisms. For this, you need to draw the diagrams which are given in your book. Parinika, can you unmute yourself and tell me on which page the diagrams are there, so that I can tell to everyone? Are you able to unmute yourself, my dear? Please write down in chat box. पेज नंबर 18 के ऊपर डायग्राम्स हैं. ओके बेटा, this you have to draw these diagrams of the microorganisms, all these microorganisms in your notebook on the left hand side page, and on the right hand side you have to write down these all diagrams which are given in your book. You have to draw them with the names. All right. On the left hand side, this is your take a fresh page. The left hand side, you have to draw diagrams, the ones I have shown you here. And on the right hand side, you have to write down aim, and then you have to write down useful effects, and then 1, 2, 3, etc. And then next you have to write down harmful effects. Okay, 1, 2, 3, etc. All right. This is how you have to complete this activity, and you have to label it as activity 1. All right. And along with that, you have to write down. You have to draw the diagrams. This should be done along with your textbook questions. And another thing you have to do along with this, harmful and useful effects of microorganisms have been discussed in the back exercise questions, where the questions are there. So that is all you have to do it within this activity, but it should be done along with your back exercise questions. All right. Yes, Nandini. Okay, Betaji. Which bacteria helps to fix atmospheric nitrogen? Which bacteria helps to fix atmospheric nitrogen? Himanshi?
Ma'am, Rhizobium and blue-green algae.
Which microorganism converts milk into curd? Suknoor. Which microorganism converts milk into curd?
Lactobacillus bacteria.
Lactobacillus. And it is bacteria.
Okay, ma'am.
So you can write down bacteria. Okay? And if you mention it, very good. Which microorganism is used to make cakes and bread fluffy? Which microorganism is used to make cakes and bread fluffy? Jatin?
Yeast.
Anji?
Yeast.
Yeast. Okay. What are decomposers? What are decomposers? Himanshi? Pranav, kindly mute yourself, beta. Very good. Himanshi? Jatin, beta, 8th pink.
The organisms which convert the dead and decaying matter into biodegradable waste.
These are bacteria and fungi. which are present in the soil or air, and they break down, they decompose, they break down the dead and decaying matter into simpler substances, and these are called as decomposers. All right. Okay, next question. Actually, a food that can be preserved by refrigeration. A food that can be preserved by refrigeration. Jai Aditya. Harshbir. Harshbir 8th ping.
मैम मिल्क
हाँ जी.
मैम मिल्क
Milk. Okay. A chemical used as a preservative. Jai Aditya. Jia.
मैम सॉल्ट
हाँ जी.
मैम
Sorry.
सॉल्ट मैम सॉल्ट
Salt. When I will say it as a chemical, I would like a more appropriate answer, beta. A more
Ma'am, may I?
appropriate answer. I want Mannat Sharma to answer me.
Sodium benzoate and sodium
benzoate.
metabase.
बिल्कुल ठीक है. Sodium benzoate. A disease which is caused by protozoa. A disease which is caused by protozoa. Hazel.
Malaria.
Malaria. Very good. A viral disease in plants.